Oh my goodness.
All right. These guys are backing into their corners like warriors. All right, they're on a point system. They get knocked over. We got a few more coming out, I think. They're probably trying to get their jalopies running. All right, these guys are on smoke bombs, it looks like. Now they get a point. Someone puts their foot down, I think they lose a point. We'll find out in a minute here. Last one standing wins the heat race.
There's my favorite. Chicken boy.
All right, we got the super chicken. The super chicken on the time bomb. The guy with the skeleton arms coming out onto his fender, he's the guy that just tore it up last time. Oh! Ooh! No.
Loser!
Uh-oh, Elmo! Watch out for Elmo! Oh, Elmo! Oh, Elmo goes down hard! Back on the bike! Back on the bike! The super chicken! Super chicken on the time bomb. Oh, West Coast Super Chicken goes down. I think he laid an egg.
Where's he going?
I got some info. The demolition chicken. Demolition chicken acquired his unique personality flaws after a bite from a radioactive alien biker chicken. Well, I don't know. Who's that? What's the story on that guy? Or the lady, whatever. All right. All right. That super speedway quad racer, Joey Worrell, he's out of Wilton, California, that took that round. All right. He's a newcomer to the whole deal. All right, I like his pink shirt too, that's cute. All right, give these guys a hand for putting their life in danger for you guys. Yeah!